Looking for the perfect adults-only escape in Mexico's Riviera Maya? Let me tell you about Akimal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort, a property that's been making waves since its impressive transformation. This isn't just another beachfront hotel, it's a wellness sanctuary where you can swim with sea turtles, indulge in ancient Mayan spa rituals, and completely disconnect from the chaos of everyday life. Situated in the charming coastal town of Akumal, this resort has carved out a unique niche in the competitive all-inclusive market by focusing on what really matters: your well-being, the environment, and authentic experiences. Originally opened back in 2005 as a standard beach resort, the property underwent a complete metamorphosis in 2022 when new owners decided to reimagine it as a wellness-focused retreat. The results speak for themselves, with guests consistently rating it 4.5 stars across multiple platforms. What makes this place special isn't just the pristine beach or the luxurious amenities, it's the thoughtful approach to creating a space where adults can truly relax, rejuvenate, and reconnect with nature. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the difference. This is a place where sustainability meets luxury, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern comfort, and where every detail has been carefully considered to enhance your experience. Let's dive into what you can expect from the accommodations at Akimal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort. The property features 72 suites, all completely renovated in 2022, and every single one is designed with relaxation in mind. The entry-level junior suite garden view offers 592 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. These rooms feature an open-plan layout with a king-sized bed dressed in crisp white linens, a comfortable living area perfect for unwinding, and a bathroom with a rain shower that'll make you never want to leave. The decor embraces a modern rustic aesthetic with natural wood accents, white walls, and touches that bring the outside in. Every suite comes equipped with smart television, Bluetooth speakers for your own soundtrack, and here's something you don't see everywhere: an actual yoga mat in your room. The minibar gets restocked daily with premium beverages and snacks, all included in your rate. You'll also find molten brown toiletries, plush bathrobes, a coffee maker for morning rituals, and a safe for your valuables. The garden view rooms overlook lush tropical vegetation, giving you that jungle hideaway feeling. If you want to upgrade your experience, you can add a private plunge pool to your garden suite for about an extra $100 per night. Moving up the ladder, the junior suite ocean view gives you the same square footage and amenities, but with an elevated position that provides partial ocean vistas. These rooms also include a hammock on your private terrace, perfect for afternoon naps with the sound of waves in the background. The soundproofing in these rooms is particularly impressive, ensuring that your peaceful retreat stays peaceful. For those serious about wellness, the aptly named Wellness Suite expands to 700 square feet and takes things to another level. These oceanfront accommodations feature an outdoor shower where you can rinse off under the sky, an in-suite sauna for private relaxation sessions, an essential oils diffuser to customize your aromatherapy experience, and a dedicated meditation corner. The resort provides a signature wellness kit with these rooms, stocked with everything you need for your personal spa experience. The bathrooms in these suites are particularly stunning, with stone tubs that look like they belong in a luxury magazine. At the top of the range, the master suite sprawls across 861 square feet with a separate bedroom and living area, walk-in closet, and every amenity you can imagine. The private butler service means you'll never have to lift a finger, and the Nespresso machine ensures perfect coffee whenever you want it. But the real showstopper: the rooftop hot tub with panoramic ocean views. Imagine soaking under the stars with nothing but the sound of waves and maybe a cocktail in hand. All rooms include air conditioning, free wireless internet, balconies or terraces, and a maximum occupancy of 2 adults, keeping that serene, grown-up atmosphere intact. The attention to detail in these renovations really shows, with guests consistently praising the comfort and cleanliness. When it comes to dining, Akimal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort takes the all-inclusive concept seriously with 4 distinct restaurants and 3 bars, all emphasizing fresh, healthy cuisine with Mayan-inspired touches. The main buffet restaurant, Punta Sur, sits right on the beachfront and serves breakfast from 7 to 11 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 4 in the afternoon, and dinner from 6 to 10 at night. This is your casual, no reservation needed option where you can fuel up anytime hunger strikes. The buffet spreads are genuinely impressive, featuring vibrant displays of international and Mexican favorites. The ceviche station alone is worth the visit, with fresh fish prepared daily. You'll find grilled seafood, traditional Mexican dishes, and dedicated vegan stations that actually put thought into plant-based cuisine rather than just offering sad salads. The restaurant can accommodate 150 guests and maintains a casual dress code, come as you are from the beach or pool. They do themed nights throughout the week, with Taco Tuesday being particularly popular among returning guests. The ocean view seating makes every meal feel special, whether you're grabbing a quick breakfast or settling in for a leisurely dinner. For a more refined experience, La Buena Vida offers gourmet Mexican cuisine with a farm-to-table philosophy. This 60-seat restaurant requires reservations and operates on a rotating dinner schedule from 6 to 10 at night. The menu highlights include mole poblano prepared with traditional techniques and lobster tacos that guests rave about in reviews. The smart casual dress code means you'll want to change out of your beachwear, but nothing too formal, think nice shorts or a sundress. The presentation here is Instagram-worthy, with dishes garnished with edible flowers and artistic plating. Wine pairings are available to complement your meal, and the sommelier actually knows their stuff. If you're into Asian cuisine, Himitsu brings sushi and Asian fusion to the table with a wellness focus. This 40-seat intimate venue also requires reservations and serves dinner from 6 to 10. The miso black cod is a signature dish that keeps guests coming back, and the vegetable rolls prove that healthy can absolutely be delicious. The restaurant's sleek, dark interior creates a sophisticated atmosphere, and they offer sushi-making classes if you want to learn the art yourself. The Beach Club Bar operates from 10 in the morning until 11 at night, serving poolside cocktails and snacks. This is where you'll find creative drinks like the Mayan Mule, fresh guacamole, and light bites to keep you going between meals. The walk-up bar accommodates about 50 guests, and the sunset DJ sessions on select evenings add a fun vibe without overwhelming the resort's peaceful atmosphere. Finally, the cenote lounge near the spa focuses on healthy juices, smoothies, mocktails, and light salads. Open from 8 in the morning to 10 at night, this 30-seat hideaway in the jungle setting is perfect for post-yoga refreshments or a nutritious lunch. They host special yoga brunches that combine movement with mindful eating. Throughout all venues, the all-inclusive package covers premium liquors, not just the bottom-shelf stuff, which is a nice touch that sets this resort apart from some competitors. The pool and beach facilities at Akimal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort deserve serious attention because they are truly exceptional. The resort features 3 distinct pool areas, each serving a different purpose. The main attraction is the adults-only infinity pool, a massive 1,200 square meter expanse of crystal clear water that seems to blend seamlessly with the Caribbean Sea beyond. The depth ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, making it perfect for wading, swimming, or just floating around with a drink from the swim-up bar. This pool area is the social hub of the resort, where you'll find most guests during the day, but it never feels overcrowded thanks to the generous size. The swim-up bar means you can order your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water, dangerous for your vacation productivity but excellent for relaxation. Pool attendants circulate regularly to take orders if you're lounging on one of the many comfortable sunbeds that surround the deck. For those seeking even more tranquility, the Quiet Wellness Pool offers 400 square meters of peaceful water with hydrotherapy jets built in. At 1.1 meters deep throughout, this pool is designed for gentle aquatic exercise, water meditation, or simply floating in silence. The jets provide therapeutic massage for sore muscles, and the atmosphere here is noticeably more serene than the main pool. This is where serious relaxation happens. The rooftop pool is exclusive to certain suite categories, offering private swimming with incredible views. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, with towel service and pool attendants included. The pools are impeccably maintained, though a few guest reviews mention occasional cosmetic stains on the deck, minor issues that don't impact the overall experience. But let's talk about the real star of the show, the beach. Akimal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort sits on 300 meters of pristine white sand beach with calm, turquoise waters that look like they've been photoshopped but are completely real. This isn't just any beach, it's a protected turtle nesting habitat, which means you have the incredible opportunity to swim with sea turtles right from the resort's shoreline. The beach operates with full service from 9 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon, with beach waiters who will bring drinks and snacks to your palapa. Speaking of palapas, there are plenty of these thatched roof shade structures along the beach, each with comfortable loungers. Towels are provided, so you don't need to drag your room towels down. The water activities included in your stay are impressive. Kayaks and paddleboards are available for free use, and snorkeling equipment is provided so you can explore the underwater world. The snorkeling here is legitimately world-class, with visibility often exceeding 100 feet and an abundance of marine life beyond just the famous turtles. If you want to take your underwater adventures further, the resort can arrange scuba diving excursions for an additional fee. The beach has a gentle slope into the water, making entry easy, and the protected bay means the waves are typically calm, perfect for relaxed swimming rather than fighting surf. The sand is soft and clean, maintained daily by staff who ensure it stays pristine. Guests consistently rate the beach as one of the resort's best features, with many saying it's the most beautiful beach they've experienced in the Riviera Maya. The combination of excellent facilities, natural beauty, and the unique turtle encounters creates a beach experience that's hard to match anywhere else. Activities at Akimal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort extend well beyond lounging by the pool, though there's absolutely nothing wrong with that approach to vacation. The fitness center is genuinely well equipped, not just a token gym with a couple of rusty dumbbells. You'll find modern treadmills, a full selection of free weights, Peloton bikes for those who can't skip their cycling fix, and kettlebells for functional training. The center operates from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, giving early birds and night owls equal opportunity to work out. But the real activity focus here is on group classes that emphasize wellness and gentle movement. Daily yoga sessions take place at 7 in the morning, timed perfectly to catch the sunrise and start your day with intention. These aren't intimidating classes that require years of practice. They welcome all levels and focus on breathwork, gentle stretching, and mindfulness. The Yoga Pavilion, added in 2025, provides a dedicated space with ocean views that make your downward dog feel transcendent. Pilates classes offer core strengthening and flexibility work, while aqua aerobics in the pool provides low-impact cardio that's easy on joints but still gets your heart pumping. All these classes are complimentary and led by certified instructors who genuinely care about helping you improve. Beyond structured activities, the resort's location provides natural opportunities for exploration. The beach itself invites long walks, especially early morning or at sunset when the light is magical. Snorkeling can easily consume hours as you discover new coral formations and marine life. The resort offers cultural activities like tequila tastings where you'll learn about Mexico's national spirit beyond just shots at a bar, and cooking demonstrations that reveal the secrets of authentic Mexican cuisine. For evening entertainment, the resort keeps things low-key but engaging. Live acoustic music nights happen regularly, with talented local musicians playing everything from traditional Mexican songs to international covers. Fire shows on Friday and Saturday nights at 8 provide dramatic entertainment without the cheesy resort show vibe. The entertainment team understands that guests come here for relaxation, not constant stimulation, so activities are offered without being pushy. You can participate as much or as little as you want. Seasonal events add special touches, with Day of the Dead celebrations in October and a New Year's gala that guests describe as elegant and fun without being overcrowded. The resort also facilitates excursions to nearby attractions, handling all the booking and transportation details so you can explore the wider region without stress. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.